हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं सेल्फ विकेश भागनानी और आज की मैं इस वीडियो में सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग का जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यूज के जो मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ उसका पार्ट 3 अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ। इससे पहले मैंने सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 अपलोड कर चुका हूँ और बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के भी सारे एमसीक्यूज हैं सेट 1 के पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 3 में अपलोड कर चुका हूँ। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और लास्ट मोमेंट में अपनी स्टडीज़ को स्ट्रांग बनाएं। तो हम इस वीडियो में सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के सेट 1 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 तक मैंने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में अपलोड वीडियो कर दी है। सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 इज blank space helps in modifying the performance element, assisting in making a better decision. So there are 4 options. Option A, learning element. Option B, performance element. Option C, changing element. And option D is none of the above. So the answer is learning element, because learning element assists in making a better decision by modifying the performance element. अगर आपने अभी तक स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया है तो स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं अपनी फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए। Question number 43. Which of the following is considered while determining the nature of learning problem? Option A, problem. Option B, feedback. Option C, environment. Option D, all of the above. So the answer is feedback. The feedback is utilized to determine the nature of the learning problem faced by the agent. Question number 45. Which of the following is chosen among the multiple consistent hypotheses? So there are 4 options. Occam-Razor, learning element, reason, and none of the above. So the answer is Occam-Razor. Occam-Razor refers to the simplest hypothesis consistent with the data intuitively. Question number 46. Which of the following takes input as an object described by a set of attributes? So there are 4 options. Option A, graph. Option B, decision graph. Option C, tree. Option D is decision tree. So the answer is option number D, decision tree. Here you can see the explanation also. Explanation is the decision tree take input as an object described by a set of attributes followed by returning a decision. Question number 47. You can take a screenshot also. A neural network can answer option A, for loop question, option B, what if questions, option C, if else analysis question, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is what if question. Question number 48. Feature of ANN in which ANN creates its own organization of representation of information it received during learning time is option A, adaptive learning. Option B, what if analysis. Option C, self organization. Option D, supervised learning. So the answer is self organization. Option number C, because the term self organization refers to how people unify their common behavior to form global order by interacting among themselves instead of interacting through external intervention and instruction. Question number 49. In artificial neural network, interconnected processing elements are termed as option A, biveights. Option B, nodes or neurons. Option C, axon, and option D, soma. So the answer is option number B, nodes or neurons. A neural network comprises several simple, highly interconnected processing elements that process data by its dynamic state response to external element. Question number 50. Each connection link in ANN is linked with that contain static about the input signal. So there are 4 options. Option A, neurons. Option B, activation function. Option C, weights. Option D, bias. So the answer is weights, because explanation, weight in artificial neural network play an efficient role as they are responsible for transmitting the input data with the network's hidden layer. Question number 52. Artificial neurons are capable enough to model original neurons networks similarly as they are found in the human brain. So there are 2 options, true or false. So the answer is option A, true. Question number 53. Name the input function received by neurons which is also known as the neuron's internal state. Option A, weight. Option B, bias. Option C, activation on neurons activity level, or option D, none of the above. So the answer is activation or neurons actively level. Question number 54. What is the name of the process that represent modified elements of the DNA? Option A, selection. Option B, mutation. Option C, recombination, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is option B, mutation, because mutation can be defined as a change in the DNA that is responsible for bringing about benefits, harm, or nothing. Question number 55. Which of the following is the best representation of individual genes? Coding, conversion, encoding, and none of the above. So the answer is encoding. Option number C. because encoding is a process of transmitting phenotype space to genotype space. Question number 56. What is the name of operator that is function on population? Option A, recombination. Option B, reproduction. Option C, mutation, and none of the above. So the answer is reproduction, because a genetic algorithm initializes the population by utilizing random values followed by running each individual from the population through the fitness function. Then the fittest one gets selected among the population to reproduce by using the reproduction function. The process of evaluation and reproduction is repeated until a desired number of iterations have been passed. Question number 57. Name the selection method that is found to be less noisy. Option A, Boltzmann solution, remainder solution, stochastic remainder solution, and none of the above. So the answer is option C, stochastic remainder solution. Question 58. In how many steps does a crossover operator proceed? So there are 4 options, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is option number B. 3 steps takes a crossover operator for proceeding. Question number 59. Which of the following best relate to reinforcement learning? Error-based learning, backpropagation learning, output-based learning, and none of the above. So the answer is option number C, output-based learning. Because reinforcement learning is another branch of machine learning that learns from the output errors and improves them in subsequent iteration. Question number 60. Blank space helps in converting a given bit pattern into the another bit pattern by using logical bitwise operation. So there are 4 options: masking, segregation, and conversion or inversion. So the answer is option number A, masking. Question number 61. The blank space causes all the bits in the first operand to shift to the left by number of position indicated by the second operand. Shift right, shift left, shift operator, none of those. So answer is shift left operator. Question number 62. Which of the following is not a specified method used for selecting the parents? Tournament selection, steady state, elitism, or Boltzmann selection. So the answer is option number B, steady state. Question number 63. Underscore deals with uncertainty problems with its own merits and demerits. So there are 4 options: neurofuzzy, neurogenetic, fuzzy genetic, and none. So the answer is neurofuzzy, because neurofuzzy refers to the amalgamation of neural networks and fuzzy logics in the field of artificial intelligence. It is nothing but a fuzzy system whose parameters learn through the learning algorithms acquired from the neural networks. Question number 64. What does the FAM stands for? Fuzzy association memory, fuzzy associative memory, fuzzy assist memory, and none of the above. So the answer is option number B, fuzzy associative memory. Question number 65. Which of the following exhibits nonlinear functions to any desired degree of accuracy? So there are 4 options: neurofuzzy, neurogenetic, fuzzy genetic, and none of the above. So the answer is fuzzy genetic, because fuzzy genetic can be identified as a system built with the help of genetic algorithms assisting in imitating the process of natural evolution which is necessary for identifying in parameters and structure. Question number 66. Matrix crossover is also known as 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, and none of the above. So the answer is 2-dimensional. Option number B, 2-dimensional. So thank you friends for watching this video. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. मुझे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स की नीड है. मैं और भी कंटेंट जो है सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग का पार्ट्स में अपलोड करने वाला हूं और बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स का भी. तो प्लीज़ शेयर करें, और अगर हो सका तो मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट का भी कंटेंट जो है वो अपलोड करने वाला हूं. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.